Are you vacuuming again? No, green button. There you go. Nose. Oh dear. Oh, that's not good. No, no, he can't work without his little bin. No, no, no. No, no, no. Can you put the bin back in? Let's put the bin back in, okay? Good girl. We're gonna let him clean now? Oh, we're making some progress. Are we? Oh, he's gonna run over your toes. Not if I can help it, Mom. Oh boy, oh boy. That was a big jump. Well, okay, that answers my question, whether you have outgrown the Roomba thing. I caught him. I will not let him go any further. Okay, all right, I guess we'll vacuum later. How's that? Vacuuming later would be a good idea? Okay, come on. Give it one shot. Here we go. Come on. Let him go. All right, let's go have breakfast. Good girl.